What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a pretty big one. In the stock market today, we had a Coinbase IPO on April 14th. So it IPO'd midday at a price of $381. So originally Coinbase was set to IPO at a price of $250, and as you can see, the price has ran up to an opening price of $381, 52% more than it was originally estimated to be at, which is pretty major. So at this price point, it's hard to justify whether or not this stock is a buy. Obviously, it is up a ton, and of course, with most IPOs, once it IPOs and it's available for trading, most investors, most people love to buy in. They pour in, and we can see a pretty steep run up to $425, making it around a 20% return in just a matter of 10 minutes from trading. Now, obviously, this is a pretty uncertain price point, and a lot of investors who bought into the IPO at 381, they saw this as a pretty good profit taking opportunity, and we can see the stock plummeting as people began cashing out. And not many people are aware of how volatile IPOs can be, but they move tremendously throughout the day because there's no trading history. We don't know what a fair price value for these stocks are, and it's just overall volatile and risky. So we can see Coinbase closing a lot lower than it originally was set out to be, and that is because a lot of people are thinking that the price point is a little bit high for what Coinbase is IPOing over $100 more than the estimated price. So if you do decide to invest in IPOs, especially big ones such as like Coinbase, getting in and placing your bid is pretty good, but you do want to get out pretty early because once it opens, we do see normal pumps like this, but they do dump just as fast. So you want to, if you see profit, you want to take profit quick before everyone else starts dumping. So if I were to play Coinbase, I would have gotten in at this 381 price point and then sell maybe around $400, taking a 5% return profit in just a matter of minutes. You don't want to get too greedy with these stocks. You don't want to get too greedy and be stuck holding the stock when it plummets. So it does have a pretty high market cap of almost 63 billion, a pretty high price to earnings ratio of $430. Volume is pretty good with 81 today, and we can see the high and lows today are pretty dramatic. There's a huge gap between it. So let's get into whether or not Coinbase is a good stock for the long-term future. I think it is, and it is one of the biggest platforms to buy and sell cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the most popular ones. Bitcoin, it's been doing absolutely incredible these past few months, hitting all-time highs of $64,000, and it did run up mainly because of the Coinbase IPO. They're IPOing to generate a ton of cash and reinvest that into their platform to grow for the long-term future. So Bitcoin is at incredibly high levels. We don't know if this is sustainable, but it just keeps running up. And as always, once something runs up a lot, we can see people taking profits. So every time it has ran up a steep climb, people take profits. Ran up a steep climb, profit taking, and so on. So it has been running up. I can see Bitcoin dropping a little bit from people taking profits. Not many people are too sure how high Bitcoin can go. Obviously, people are going to take profits. The stock could see some pullbacks, but overall, this could be a good investment if you are bullish on Bitcoin. I myself do not invest in Bitcoin, but I may invest in Coinbase if we see pullback on that stock. I think at 300 level it's a bit high. If it drops below that, I may pick up some shares or sell some cash secured puts against it. We can also see Riot blockchain having a pretty good run up prior to the Coinbase IPO. It pretty much follows Bitcoin because this is a company that basically specializes in Bitcoin mining. So the better that Bitcoin does, the better Riot blockchain does as well. So if you want to invest in something similar to Bitcoin, but you want a stock and a little bit more stable, Riot blockchain may be the pick for you. But please note that we are at pretty high levels as well on this stock. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. And also check out the links in the description for our free and paid Discord servers. In our paid Discord server, we have an options analyst who sends out buy and sell signals every single day, and as well as myself giving out options trades for cash secured puts. That's about it. Thanks for watching.